Welcome to another episode of Tech Talks. Today we're diving into a fascinating tool that aims to bridge the gap between code correctness and the Rust programming language, Verus. It's an innovative project doing some really interesting work in the world of software verification. So, what exactly is Verus? Well, think of it as a virtual inspection team for your Rust code. Developers typically write specifications, essentially a set of guidelines outlining how the code should perform. What Verus does is take those specifications and conduct static checks. This means it verifies that your Rust code meets those specifications before you even run it. Now you might be wondering, why static checks? One reason is clarity and reliability. Instead of having to deal with runtime checks, which can slow things down and sometimes lead to errors appearing only when the code is executed, Verus uses powerful solvers to prove the correctness of the code across all possible executions. Think of it as having a safety net that guarantees your code will always behave correctly. It's important to note, though, that Verus is continuously evolving. Currently, it supports a subset of Rust, but there's an ongoing effort to expand its capabilities. So if you're a developer looking to push the boundaries of Rust, especially with features like manipulating raw pointers, you'll definitely want to check it out. Now let's talk about access and community. If you're excited to give it a whirl, there's a handy Verus playground available. It's a browser-based space where you can start experimenting right away. For those more serious about development, follow the installation guide and be sure to dive into the drafted documentation, which is still being worked on. Speaking of resources, the Verus community is pretty active. They've released research papers and have numerous academic and industry projects utilizing Verus. If you've started a project using it, the community encourages you to add your work to their publications page. This spirit of collaboration is truly what makes the tech community so vibrant. And if you do encounter bumps along the way, don't hesitate to reach out through their GitHub page or chat in real time on Zulip. Whether you have a question or want to start a discussion about feature requests, many are eager to help. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the design aspect. Shout out to Johanna Polzin for crafting the Verus logo. It reflects the energy and forward-thinking nature of this project. So, to sum it all up, Verus is a powerful, evolving tool for verifying Rust code correctness, relying on static checks and a supportive community for developers. Whether you're a seasoned Rustacean or new to the scene, Verus offers a fresh approach to ensure your code is not only functional, but correct right from the start. I'd love to leave you with this question. How do you see tools like Verus changing the landscape of programming in the next few years? Think about it, and as always, share your thoughts with us. Thanks for joining today's episode, and happy coding.